Cars, Trucks, and More has a 2007 Ford Econoline E-350 cargo van, diesel 6.0 liter. Walk around here, got a rack on the top. Let's see what's in the back. Got tons of shelving units. Alright, and inside, nice feature about this, it has all power options. Look at that. Pretty clean for a work van. Has a little step to get in there easier. Alright, if you're looking for a work van, diesel, lasts you a long time, this would be great. We're at Cars, Trucks, and More, across from Family Video, 861 East Grand River in Howell. You can call our sales staff at 517-546-7000. Fill out our loan app at ctmas.com.